Welcome back, art enthusiasts. Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of the Century Egg, a captivating resin pattern that's become one of Joe's signature creations. This unique design draws inspiration from the traditional Chinese delicacy, transforming it into a stunning piece of modern art. We begin with the crucial step of mixing our resin. A thorough 180-second blend ensures we have the perfect foundation for our artwork. This careful preparation is key to achieving the smooth, professional finish we're aiming for. Next, we pour our background color, spreading it evenly across the board. Attention to detail is crucial here. We want full coverage with no gaps. Using a torch, we eliminate any air bubbles that could compromise our design. Then, we apply some of the texturing techniques we've covered in previous videos, adding depth and interest to our base layer. Now for the centerpiece of our design. We create a space for our frame and pour in the egg white, which, interestingly, is black in this case. Carefully pressing down the frame ensures our colors stay separate for now. We wait patiently as the black resin spreads to the frame's edges, building anticipation for the next step. Here's where things get exciting. We introduce the gold element, a mixture of gold color and alcohol. A word of caution: be prepared for some impressive flames when torching this layer. We use heat strategically to shape our gold circle, creating a striking contrast against the darker background. Removing the frame is a pivotal moment. The black egg begins to merge with the white background, creating an intricate, organic pattern. It's reminiscent of the open pour technique, producing mesmerizing swirls and shapes. We continue to apply heat, guiding the design and ensuring a bubble-free finish. The final stage is all about refinement. We add more gold accents and use the torch to perfect our design, stopping when we achieve the ideal balance and flow of colors. And there you have it, a stunning Century Egg resin piece. We've included some shots of other panels created using this technique, including a special one destined for charity. If you've enjoyed this artistic journey, please show your support by liking, commenting, and subscribing. Your engagement helps us continue bringing you these creative tutorials. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to sharing more resin art adventures in our next video.